In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a blog comment section in Wix. To begin, let's do some initial setup on your site's dashboard. So what you would need to do is navigate to your site's dashboard and look around for the blog option. As soon as you spot it, give it a click. Now, once you're in the blog interface, you'll see a button in the top right corner labeled More Actions. This is a drop-down menu with multiple options. Click on it, and from the choices that appear, select Blog Settings. Following this selection, you'll see a few settings that can be toggled on or off. Specifically, we are looking for the Comments button in this list. It's easy to locate, don't worry. When you find it, switch it on. As easy as that, the Comments button should be successfully activated, which means that visitors to your blog will now be able to leave their thoughts and interact with you. But before moving on, there is one more feature to set up in this section. You get to decide who can leave comments on your blog. You could either allow anyone and everyone who visits the blog to post comments, or you could limit this interaction to only the members of your blog. Make your choice according to what suits your unique requirements for your blog. Having made this selection, remember to save your changes. A simple click on the Save option will do the trick. Now, we'll move on to the more technical part of the tutorial, where we will dive into the Wix editor. Access the editor and navigate to the blog page. Once you are there, if you're looking to change settings for a specific post, click on Settings for that individual post. Alternatively, if you want to apply these changes to all your blog posts, find and click on Manage Pages. This will bring up the blog post template settings page. Here, you need to go to the Display tab. Scroll through the options mentioned until you hit the Comments section. And in this section, you'll find the option to Enable Comments. Toggle that switch to the On position. Furthermore, if you'd like guests to contribute their opinions, you can also enable the Guest Comments option. Having gone through all these steps, all you need to do is to save these settings and then publish your site. Remember, the changes you've made won't go live until you publish your site. So go ahead, click the Publish button, and voila, you're all set. Your blog now hosts a fully functional comment section for the visitors to interact in and for you to engage with your readers. Enjoy the interactive experience.